Hi guys, welcome to my new video. I am making jigsaw puzzle for you guys. Like, subscribe and share.